My name is Auntie Star.
And my name's Auntie Star.
And today, in Get to Know God time, we're making a joyful noise again. Hooray! Come join us and see what's in the basket today. It's a heart. It's a beautiful wooden heart.
So this is a love heart, so we should link it to a song all about God's love for us. Oh, I know. Let's sing Jesus Loves You.
What a great idea.
And the way that we know that Jesus loves us is it says it in the Bible. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong. They are weak, but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
Now you may be thinking, how did Jesus show his love to us? Well, he died on the cross to save us from all the wrong things that we've done. We're truly sorry for all the wrong things that we've done in our lives. And we come to him and ask him for his forgiveness. Then because of what Jesus has done on the cross for us, we can be forgiven.
Jesus loves me, he who died, heaven's gates to open wide. He will wash away my sin. Let his little child come in. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. That's a wonderful thing to remember, that even if things are going wrong or if things are going right even, that Jesus loves you. Thank you for joining us on Get to Know God Time. Make a joyful noise. Join us next time. Bye!